Guys, in today's video I will show you a little bit behind the scene of how I photographed my son with the new Camera R6 and the 70-200 plus an off-camera flash. So what I've done in here is I will just show you a few snippets behind the scenes and I will explain you how I went. So this was the first shot and you see how dark it was. This was the reality behind the scene. When I reached at the place, there was darkness. Well, it was still light outside, but because it was in the woods, it was darker. So then I've shot with I put the flash off the umbrella and then I played with it and I just snapped shots. And then we moved around, we found new places and you will see those places in the video. This was, you can see here, this was shot exactly like this one. It's just that I added my presets into it and I brought it back from this to this so you have an idea. Then again we played more. I've increased a little bit the power in here, decreased it back. Too much power in here, he was moving a lot. So it was a little bit hard. That's the bug in Australia. Right, so then we moved to a new location just around the site. I think, if I remember well, yes, exactly. And here I shot a little bit lower because I wanted to change from my flash to shoot just with my camera, and I just wanted a comparison with the lens. So I placed my light in the wrong place because on the other side there was like a river kind, not far away from us, but I just didn't want to risk it, and I just wanted to test pretty much my lens and how is the bokeh coming in the background. So again I played with him with the light and then I said, okay, let's turn off the light, and at some stage I turn it off and let me shoot just with the natural light. And here is where I've started shooting with the natural, and you can see a difference. It's way softer and more golden, which I really love. But I'll open this one in Camera Raw and you'll see my ISO was like 12,000. This was good because the sun was coming straight into his face. The thing is that I had to shoot from the side because I couldn't go on front to take his face because of the river. So he was watching the river at this stage with the sun coming straight into his face, and the sun was changing dramatically. So here you can see the noise coming in and in the background, which doesn't mind, I like noise. But you see when he turned the face towards me, you know, the sun hits in his back, he turned his face towards me. And you know, kids move fast, so I said, okay, let me snap the shot. It was darkness, so you can see it's completely dark. And then I increased my ISO again just to brighten that face. And by the look of his hands, you can see he had enough. And that's where the river was. So if I select my 5 images in here and I take them in Camera Raw, I should be able to show you a before and after. So these were my settings: 2.8, 200 of the second because that's the flash power, and I shot it at 200. This one I shot at 128 and it looks quite amazing, it's still good. And 3.2 I have no idea, it was I think because when we started, So I really love to be lower, but it worked okay. Okay, 3.2. I wanted to be 2.8, but I think he was moving a lot and I wasn't sure if I will have a sharp focus, especially because it was the first time. If we look at the before and after, so that's with my preset. It's just my own action. So this was like that, and then I put it up there, so I brighten up a bit, even though it looks okay in as is shot also. Okay, and darker a bit. Before and after, just brighten up a bit because it was too in darkness in there. And this one, I love this one, so I just brighten up a bit and made his skin a little bit more creamier. Yeah, so, and then if we take the photoshopped one and I open them in Photoshop, then I can show you a little bit more of what I've done. Pretty much I've just added a little bit of sun flare in the back to make it a little bit softer, and here you can see the sun flare again, which I couldn't show you in Camera Bridge because it doesn't do that. So, and again you can see here the flare a little bit. So the lens is amazing, the lens shoots great. This was 3.2, so I could have shot it as 2.8, and I don't know why I haven't done that, but because anyway it was quite dark in there.
Hi, Mommy. Just come this way a bit. This way. That way, and go back a bit. Or just stay there. And I'll bring my light. Yeah, just stay there. Cool, cool banana. Put your hands like I told you. Like that. Yeah, good job. Let's go into 100.
What's 200?
Yeah.
I never thought 200.
Oh, I like that. Stay there. Please, I have to be far away.
Hey, kid.
Look into the light. Yeah. Let me put more ISO because it's darker in his basketball. Kitty, look towards the light. Ooh, it's so dark behind. Okay, let's increase the ISO. Kitty, chin down. Perfect. Now I need to put my light lower as I increase the ISO. Kitty. Yes. Good job. Nice, Mama.
Mommy,
Yeah.
now can I see what is that?
Huh?
Now can I see what is that?
Yes. Which one, Mama? It's just a hat. It's nice, yes. Oh. Oh, let me take a picture. Can I see it?
What is that?
Let me see.
What is it?
Look. It's a spider and he caught a fly or something.
It is a fantastic lens, and I am envious you get comments.
Okay, Mommy, go back a bit. Just in front of my... Here. Here. You want to stay there? Okay, stay there and I bring my camera, my light towards you. Okay? Now, turn around me, Mommy. Around me. Around me. Stay. Chin down. Kitty. Come this way a bit from the light. Yeah, just one step, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Good banana. And turn around towards my light. More. Stop there. Okay, Kiki. That's it. I'm going back. Mosquitoes! Moral of the story, bring, what's that spray? Mosquito spray.
Mosquito spray is a must.
Good job. Mommy, jump! Ah! Yay! Cool, man. I can't stand here anymore. You're gone. Let's go that way, just to leave it out.
You guys can follow us, right?
Huh?
I'm talking to all the people.
Sorry, Mommy. I bumped in you. You
I
can
think
talk
I
to them.
want to go back to my house.
Yeah, I think so too. It's super dark.
It is.
Can they see how dark it is?
No,
Or they can't?
no.
Oh shit!
This was fun. Someone is too excited. Really?
Mosquitoes! No, it's okay. We have a little.
I'm glad I have Victoria here because I don't get bitten at all. Now, this
Why
is
do
a
you
beautiful
don't get-
place.
Wow. It's okay. We have a little bit of light now. Okay, Mommy. Those bushes there.
Yes.
This is where the house maybe.
Yeah, the cows are coming here. They're everywhere, man.
Really? Now, this is a good spot.
Here, like here. Okay? This one and we are done. Oh, you want to stay there? Okay, come this way. Here. Okay, turn around to me. Beautiful light. Cool bananas, Motorama. Kitty, this way. Stop. Okay, oh my god. Okay, turn your head to me. Mommy, stay like this and turn your head to me. Head towards me, like that. Okay, stay there, dark fly.
I'm getting him to smile here.
Can you?
Keith.
Hey, going into 200, so I have to be bloody far away. What do you see, Mommy? Let's see if I can take it from down here. Mama, look at me. Kitty. Hey, man. Leave the bloody fly. You're done? Can you sit in like me? Try it, like this. Go, like me, like this. Super. Look here, Mommy. No ants will come through you. Okay, I need that light. Stay there.
Oh, somebody wants to go home.
One more, man.
One more.
One more. Come on, go down. Go down again. Cool. Look at it. And that's when he's bored. Look at me, man. Kitty. That light is just I mean, Kitty. It's okay. We take it like this. He's having fun there. Hey, stay there, down there. Keith, down.
I'm sitting on my knee.
And he's having fun like that too. It's okay. Kitty, eyes to me. Like that. Now eyes to me. Hey, man. Kitty. Mr. Sever Burkushel. Do you want a candy? Yeah. Okay.
There
eyes
we
to
go.
me.
Candy.
Eyes to me.
I don't have candy.
I will buy you some. Ah! Eyes to me. Leave that lip down.
With the promise of candy.
Eyes to me. to me. Smile. Eyes to me and smile. Go down.
Oh, not again.
Yeah. Look at me.
Oh, the cutest kid.
Okay, let me turn off that light and see if I can do it without the light. Let's come. 2 more minutes, man, and you're done. Let's see, only with the light from outside. What is this from? What is that? I need to put my eyes to light 5000 because it's super dark. Woo! That light behind is superb. Kitty, eyes to me. Mama! Hey, man! Do you want a candy?
Yeah.
Then eyes to me. Okay, let me stay there. I know, but come this way. Come this way. Kitty, kitty, kitty. This way, like that. Yeah, more like this. Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, okay. Stop there. Yeah. Wanna see the trick? Come closer.
Lots of water in the creek today.
Don't do it. Like,
Oh, she's brave.
Kitty, look at me. Kitty, it's ever push up. This way. Turn around. Man, here. Give me a smile.
Keith, do you like gingerbreads?
Mommy, you forgot that. Bye-bye.
I know, but I can't put it here because you are so close to the river.
Keith, guess what I have? Gingerbread dough. Do you want to roll out a few? Yeah?
Okay, look at me. Say that, say that, say.
I want to do
Okay,
one more.
But don't move. Stay there for a second. Okay, there. Relax a bit that neck. Down, yeah. Relax the neck. Oh man. Stay there, stay there. Good job, Kitty. Look at me, man. I'm against the... Perfect, relax. That's it, man. Come.
Now it's done.
Yeah, it's done. Because the mosquito are biting me. Bye, guys. See
Oh,
you
hang
later.
on.
It's a superb area in here, but needs lots of spray and hazmat suits.
Done.
Done. Ciao.
I'm pushing finish, but
Yes,
Hello.
please.
So yeah, this was the 70 to 200 and I loved it at the session, so I will see how it will be on a maternity shoot. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you enjoyed the behind the scenes, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you want to learn more about photography with maternity and newborn, then please join my class, or how I call it, the group on Facebook group. You'll have a link below with the details. So see you in the next time. Bye.